नमस्ते डियर लर्नर्स, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर फ्रॉम टीम कन्वर्स लॉजिक। सो एक क्वेरी जो हमें बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली आती है पेरेंट्स के एंड से, दैट माय चाइल्ड इज लर्निंग जर्मन बिकॉज जर्मन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ देयर सिलेबस. They are learning German in their school, but at home we are not able to support the child. There are the two major reasons. In most of cases, parents don't know the German as language, so they are unable to support the child. And the second reason is finding a right tutor or the right academy. और जब उन्हें एक correct academy या एक अच्छे tutor मिल भी जाते हैं, तो distance maximum time इतना ज़्यादा होता है that parents don't want to commute. We all know because of the weather condition, there are the outside conditions जो हमारे हाथ में बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. And we will not advise you to travel this much with a little kid because it's not safe. So what's the solution? So Converse Logics is giving you a solution for this. As we have promised that we are celebrating the January month as a learning month. So what you can expect from this learning month? This learning month, we are providing you the courses specially made for the 4th standard to 10th standard based on the CBSE curriculum. All these courses are available on our platform, on our website. You can check it. And the surprise is that we have reduced our course fees. Yes, you heard it right. So all our premium courses for the 4th standard to 10th standard based on the CBSE curriculum with all the exercises, with all the support material, you can avail this only in $399. Yes, you heard it right. By paying $399, we are providing you the access to the course. You can support your child. The child can learn from the comfort of their home. So learn anytime, anywhere. Empower your child. Empower yourself. Because at Converse Logics, we want to make learning easy and comfortable, so the child can learn hassle-free. And we want to empower the parents also. So now, no more worries. All you have to do, just visit our website converselogics.com, or you can just simply DM us. Our team will reach out to you and we will give all the answer to your queries. So what are you waiting for? Go check the website. Happy learnings.